Right after his talk, I'm here with Miles. Hello, Miles.
Hi.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Miles has just given a talk about typelevel scala. What is this?
So typelevel Scala is a fork of the standard Scala compiler that's currently maintained and developed by Lightbend. Typelevel fork exists to basically give an avenue for improvements to the standard Scala compiler, which are of particular interest for projects which use the type-level style of programming in Scarlet. So a style which is very much focused on pure functional programming, which makes use of all of the facilities of Scala's very rich and expressive type system. There have been a number of long-standing issues in the Scala compiler that have made some of these things quite difficult to do, but they're comparatively minor in many respects, and they're things which we hope that the Scala community will be able to pick up and help the Lightbend Scala team fix. I mean, these are things which aren't necessarily everybody's top priorities, but they are certainly very important to us. And so I think it's important that we try and fix our own problems and contribute those back, hopefully as soon as possible, back to the Lightbend Scala compiler, so that everyone will be able to take advantage of it.
What's new in typelevel?
So the new things in typelevel Scala are, well, we have a release, which is great. So at the moment, we have a release out for Scala 2.11.8. So it's basically identical to Scala 2.11.8, which is what everybody's currently using in production. It's completely binary compatible in both directions, in the sense that code which is compiled with the typelevel Scala compiler for 2.11.8 can be mixed with binaries compiled with the Lightbend Scala compiler and vice versa. So it's very, very straightforward to use in your existing software. It adds a number of fixes and new features, some of which are either already merged in the Lightbend Scala for 2.12 or are pending to be merged in hopefully in a relatively near to release update of Scala 2.12. So in particular, with the fix for SI 2.7.12, which there's been lots of talk about, that's available in typelevel Scala for 2.11.8. Also the work on literal types, and also some issue. So there's also a fix for the bug known as SI 7046, which is something which causes lots and lots of problems to people using shapeless for type class, automatic type class derivation for ADTs. So all of these things are available in typelevel Scala 2.11.8 now. Really, really like people to use it if they can. I mean, it should be very easy for them to use it. If people want to know how to, really it's just kind of a one-line change to their Scala project build. And if they head over to the typelevel Scala GitHub page, so it's GitHub and then /typelevel/Scala, they'll find a fairly detailed documentation on how they can just drop it into their existing projects. If they're using 2.11.8 already, then it really is just a one-line change to their build, and they'll be able to work with it straight away. I would really encourage people to do that and give us as much feedback on what their experience of doing it is.
Yeah, let's do it. So, well, thank you for your time, Miles, and enjoy Cadiz and the conference.
Well, it's a fantastic conference. Cadiz is a lovely city. I'm delighted that you invited me, and I'm looking forward to coming back again next year.
Yeah, sure.